So today I've got another brown box to open. Let's have a look to see what's inside. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT X's on Tech. I am X's. On today's episode we have a brown box from Amazon. So you probably clicked on this video because you've seen the description. I'm going to be unboxing another microphone. So let's have a look, see what was in the box. Naturally, with it being an Amazon delivery, we got lots of brown paper, but more importantly we have this. Oh, what is it? So this is the Maono, which is how I was saying it, but apparently it's pronounced Maono USB Gaming Microphone with a gooseneck, a nice little bendy neck. This is actually quite high spec. So like the Uhuru microphone behind me there, this also has high-res sampling, 96 kilohertz and 24 bit. It has omnidirectional polar pattern, a 3.5mm audio output jack, so you can plug this into your PC, put your normal headphones on, for example, or even wired earphones in, and you could use this as a microphone when gaming, for example. High-speed USB, it's got some LEDs on it as well, and it's compatible with Windows and, of course, Mac OS. So let's open the box and see what we get inside. Oh. So this is the AU-GM30 model. There's two models you can get. The AU-GM30, which is this one, and the AU-GM31 that has USB on the back of it. So let's pop that to one side. Plastic packaging. Well, oh, that's quite nice. Oh, a little pack of silica gel. There we go, so you can see the blanking plate below there. I don't know if you can see. That's where the USB would be on the GM31. Headphone output. Little switch for the lights on and off. Oh, a volume knob. That's good. And I do believe you push it to mute. Yep. Okay, so the microphone points at you. So this would be perfect for somebody who wants to use their own headphones rather than buying a specific or dedicated gaming headset, for example. So regularly on a daily basis, on a working day anyway, for me, I tend to use my Technics RPDJ 1210 headphones to watch stuff on my tablet on the train into work. So this would be good really if I wanted to get into gaming with my mate Dave. You never know, one day I might play that World War Z game with you. Well, I probably could now I've got this, because I've got the microphone and I've got my headphones, and of course I've got my lovely gaming PC by here. So I've just unraveled the USB cable, braided cable as well, by the way. Should do the measuring test with this one. You've all seen my measuring, haven't you? If you haven't, from there to there on me is 1 meter. So this is about 1.5 meters then. So I'm going to open up Audacity and record and see what the sound quality is like, really. I'm going to switch between this microphone, my lavalier microphone, and this one, see how good the quality is. So USB, plug it in. Ooh. Oh yes, RGB. Tell you what, let me turn off the studio light so you can see. Oh, I'm on the front. Is it? Oh no, that's just blue. Right, let me turn off the light. Ooh. Can you see it? It's changing color. American accent included for free. Well, that's nice. I like that. Studio light. Oh, wrong button. Oh, there we go. Back again. Right, let's open up Audacity. It's selected the microphone already. It's in Maono Falcon Basic. So this here is the volume knob. So you push it and that light will turn red. So your friends, when you're gaming, can't hear you swear, or when your mum enters the room, for example. I don't think that's... I think that's just the volume for the headset, to be honest. Feels like a bit of a Tannoy microphone. Bing bong, clear up on aisle 3, please. I'm going to have a read the instructions in a minute. I don't think there is much to the instructions, to be honest. Well, it does say professional sound process chip with high-res sampling rates up to 96 kHz 24-bit. Omnidirectional polar pattern with 360-degree coverage, sound pickup range. High-speed USB data transmission port with plug and play for the sound data input to computer. Extend 3.5mm TRS audio jack on microphone, convenient to play audio output from computer. Microphone gain and mute controllable with one knob operate. Automatic, changeable, 7-color LED atmosphere light. Compatible Windows and Mac OS. So what it says is plug it in, biff bap off, there we go. Is there anything else? Okay, so this button on the front isn't for the headphone. This switch on the side, by the way, lights off, lights on, lights off, lights on. Right, let's do some recording. Okay, I'm gonna hit record, record. So it's not recording much. If I turn the volume up or down, 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 down. Okay, so it did seem to turn it up very loudly. Now if I turn it down a little bit. Oh yeah, you can see the I'll move this out the way. I'll turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, and it should get really, the spike should get really quite high on there. And then if we turn it down, 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 down. Yep, it's gone quite quiet. So, okay, there's a little dimple, like sort of like the middle icon. So, let's do a little bit of a test, shall we? Should we do the Peter Pepper picked a pepper and whatever else he picks? Because I think he might have worked in a pepper farm, maybe. I wonder if there's much popping. And what about sibilance? Sibilance. Specifically say 6 specific statistics. Try that tongue twister then, everybody. So this is recording through the AU-GM30 by Maono, a USB gaming microphone. And then I'm going to automatically switch to my lavalier microphone. And is there a sound difference? Tell you what, I'm going to hit pause by here. I'm going to have a listen back to the audio through my speaker that's on the desk by there. And yeah, I'm expecting a big improvement on this to this. So back to this microphone. I'm going to push pause, push pause, push pause, and push stop, because I've got 3 different things recording here. And I'll be back in a moment. So I've had to listen back to the microphone through Winamp then. And first of all, it wasn't playing. I was like, well, I definitely recorded something because I've seen Audacity recording the sound. So I put something else on that was in my place of music that I know works. And the graphic equalizer in Winamp was bumped up and down. It's like, well, why isn't it playing? I remember then this has got a headphone port on the back of it. So if you are going to be switching, like for example, to an amp, which I have under the desk here, remember to go into Windows sound settings and change it back to the Realtek, for example, or just plug your headphones back in the back of this. So this little microphone, it sounds really good. And as I mentioned earlier on, you can obviously use this for gaming, use your own personal headphones, earphones, plug them into the back so you can hear what your opponents are saying, and the sound quality is really good. I would say it's a lot better than a gaming headset. I watched a fair few gaming headset reviews on YouTube, as you have probably done as well, and they don't tend to have that good sound quality, especially if they're the wireless headphone variety. So this would be perfect. If you'd like to buy this item, the Maono USB Gaming Microphone AU-GM30 or the 31, but this is the 30. Video link description, there's a link there. Okay, so you can buy that from Amazon. If you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you very much. So thank you very much once again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.